About a month ago, I bought an old Hoyt ZR100 from a guy for $100, and there she is. Look at that beaut. Now, I think this thing had only been shot like 200 or 300 times. Like, this thing was practically brand new, and I got it. So she's got some definite age on her, but the whole idea behind this channel is, for one, I want to slowly start upgrading this bow and start throwing like more modern accessories on it to kind of see if I can get it to stand side by side with a more common compound bow of today's day and age. And I know it's not going to be as pretty as what some of these newer bows are, but man, I want it to come close. And I feel like this thing can go toe-to-toe with a lot of these bows. So we'll just have to wait and see. The second goal to this channel is I haven't hunted in over 2 decades. I want to be able to take and have this bow elk ready to where I am going to put in for the draw in September of 2026. And I want to be able to harvest myself an elk. Now, the thing with that is my children are going to be tagging along with me. We're not a hunting family by any means, but we have friends that are willing to take us under their wing and show us the way of the hunter, kind of just point us in the right direction, go on our hunts with us, and just guide us, really show us the way, because we're complete noobs. I feel like having the ability to hunt is super important, and I want to be able to pass that on to my kids. Now, this channel is going to be a standalone progress report in a way. It's going to pretty much just show everybody my ups and downs, all my fails, trials and tribulations, the whole thing. I want to be able to show you guys how a complete noob, myself, can hopefully turn around and harvest himself a stud of an elk towards September. And in the process, show my kids how to do the same, how to shoot, how to hunt, how to do it responsibly. And, I just hope that you guys will enjoy the journey. And all I ask is, if you have any concerns or have any comments, put them down below. But try your best to be as polite and respectful as possible. I'm not a pro. I don't have great form, but I'm willing to learn. And I think that's what this is all about. So if you guys wouldn't mind liking and subscribing to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And until the next time, thanks. Bye.